Hey, what's up guys? So we got a 2012 Toyota Prius here that we're going to be doing some rust work on. And I got an 18-year-old local kid here that I'm training and teaching. So what we're going to be doing is I'm going to show him how to do the headlight tactic on this thing as well. So we're going to buff out the headlights because they just look so grimy, and then we're going to tackle this rust spot. It's a beat up car, surf car, rust all over the place. I just wanted to just get this thing filled in without going too crazy, just so the car would last a little bit longer. There's already 230,000 miles on this thing. They put a new battery in it, so it's going to last a lot longer. So we're going to use some fiberglass kitty hair, grind everything down, treat it, patch it, and just do a touch-up paint inside this rocker panel here and the door jamb. And I'm going to be using the X16 Atom Mini X spray gun. And keep watching. Hope you like the show, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, so we got a 2013 Toyota Prius surf mobile. This is Rock D over here. What's up? We're gonna be tackling some rust work. Probably in the future, we'll be doing this up here. But currently, right now, we're gonna be working on this bad boy. Look how this is really torn up. So it looks like, what is this? You guys tried something? Your dad tried something before?
Yeah, tried to Bondo.
Oh, this is Bondo, yeah? Okay, old school. So what we're gonna do is, we just took our pillar caps off here. We're gonna grind everything down, and we're gonna treat it with vinegar to just initially kill the rust. And then we're gonna put some fiberglass putty in there. So we're gonna take this side skirt off as well to give us more room so we can get grinded down. We don't know, there might be a big hole down there. We don't know. But it's looking pretty rough. Okay, this is a rough, hardcore, 30-year surfer. How long your dad been surfing? 40 years? 50 years?
Yeah, 50 years. The Prius was like 230.
230,000 miles on this bad boy. It's, you know, it's rough, but hey, this thing can look good again. It can. I'm gonna have Rocky over here sand out these headlights with 2000 grit. You can see how yellow they look. They're all, you know, ugly looking and yellow. We're gonna buff them out, make them look new again. So what you're gonna do is fold that in half, just like that, yep. Okay, and then you're just gonna grab it like this, wet it, right? And we're basically just gonna sand the yellow off. Okay, you're just gonna keep sanding. You see the kind of like tinge. Just keep sanding. 2000 grit. You can also use 1500. And if we get into the fender a little, it's okay because we're gonna buff it out anyway. You know, some people like to take the headlights out and do it. Yeah. But I mean, you don't have to. So just, you know, get as best as you can and just keep sanding it. And 2000 grit like this. Basically, you're just cleaning the headlight, right? And we'll see how kind of that looks. I got too much soap in here. You could just use water. You don't have to use soapy water. But, you know, you can see how it's getting kind of clear already. And you want to push kind of hard and use like more of your, yeah, you could use your, yeah. Just like that. Just sand it out. Get it nice and clean, and then we'll hit it with a buffer, and I'll show you the before and after of both sides. It's gonna be a big difference. Literally only takes like 10 minutes. And then you got brand new looking headlights. Okay. So we're using a two-step buffing process here with basic rubbing compound by 3M, Perfect It. And I'm using a wool pad here initially, and then we're gonna finish it off with a waffle pad with some glaze. Super easy. On the other side, I'm going to have Rocky basically, you know, buff it out. This is his first time buffing, and he did a really good job as well. So if you clear coat it, I like to use 800 grit because you want the clear coat to stick, right? Yeah. 2000 grit is a very fine sandpaper, good for like cutting clear coat and buffing out. Pretty much easy. 10 minutes to sand it down, another 5 minutes to buff it, and this is what it looks like. First time buffing? Oh wow. there's the quick before and after. Looks really, really nice. I figured, hey, why not before we start this project? Let's just get the headlights looking nice. So if you guys want to learn more about auto body and paint, don't forget to check out learnautobodyandpaint.com to grab your free auto body and paint guides, cheat sheets, downloadable manuals and videos, and also a chance to win a free spray gun. So check it out at learnautobodyandpaint.com. I'll see you there.